little birdie time. Now, we don't normally start in here for the birds, but there's a reason we're starting in here. There is. Oh, I dropped a tail. I dropped a pigtail. I dropped a piggity tail. There we go. Right, as you know, my lovely Bill has been buying me bird goodies. He has, for my birdies down the garden. Now, I want to take something else new down for them to hang out. Because we need to hang out, me and my birds do. Sorry. So we've got either the suet bird feeder. We've got my big bird. Or my seed feeder. That is what's needed down there. Because, excuse me, because my other one is broken. But I really want to take the bird down. So I'm going to take the tag off. I got to stick some balls on it. So that should be fun. I might alternate the balls as well. I might not just do the plain balls. I might do the luxury balls as well on it. But yeah, we got it from Amazon. It looks like a parrot with the nose. It looks so weird with the nose. But we're going to go and see if they like it. Yeah, we're going to go and see. But yeah. Let's go. You got to follow me through. But the house is a mess, so you have to follow my butt. Are you following? It's moving. It's moving. Follow the butt. The butt is on the way. Follow, 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 follow the butt. Follow, 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 follow the butt. Here we go. Here. Oh, it's nice out here. Pretty. The little gannets. Yeah, I love my shoes. Shoes feel amazing. Right, so this is going to hang on there like that. Look. You can't see it. So, there. You ready? We'll see if they like it. I think they've been having the seed off of that. I think. And don't quote me on that one. They haven't been having any seed at the donut. They don't like the donut. They don't. Look, they've been telling me they don't like it. Yeah, we've got to fill. We need to order some peanuts. We need to order some peanuts and drastically running out of peanuts. My boxes have been moved. One of my boxes have you moved the boxes? That's alright. What was the boxes back? I was like, hang on, the boxes have moved. Are the birds trying to get in? Oh, that's heavy. We'll leave it like that then. So expensive though, the peanuts are. So expensive. I'm trying not to let any fall on the floor. Had a raven this morning down here. Oh, that's gonna. I nearly walked into that then. A big black raven. Awesome. Oh, and then he's eating the whole suet block. For itself. Scraping the barrel now. Peanuts up. Leave the seed first. Now the seed's getting a bit low, but I've got another bag of seed, so it's fine. I've got another full bag and a half of seed. It's just the peanuts with it. Hello. I ain't seen this in for a while. Huh? Maybe. You never know. feels lovely. Vitamin D at its best. Right. We heard it on the bird vine. Oh yeah. We're gonna leave that until it's properly empty. Right, let's put some sunflower hearts out. In there. Down there. In there. And then the last few on this one. Okay. Right there. We need some balls and a circle. Uh-oh, got to order some more balls as well. This is the last of the balls in this one. Okay. 3 in there. Looks like I'm just putting plain balls on that. The box is a nightmare to open. I can do that in there, look. See? No wastage. No wastage. Right then. I'm just going to put 2 on. See how I get on with them. Oh, it's all falling to pieces. Well, it's not going to stay on there, is it? So how does that work then? What am I doing wrong? It all fell to pieces in my hand. There we go. Try another one. On there. So why is that not working then? What's... Take that one off. What's that going to do for me? Not on there? No? Oh, hang it on there. But it's not meant to do that. No. It doesn't work. It's meant to hang on its own, that. This is meant to hold the balls on. So have I bought a dub? Ooh. Drill a hole. I know. Nope. I bought a dud. So we'll chalk that up to not being very good and put it in the box. Yeah, but I don't want the birds to hurt themselves on it. Like what? You're meant to put balls on it. So it goes on the picture. Yeah? So it goes in the box. Never mind. I need to restock the bird food desperately. Another box there now. So yeah, birds are fed. Bit upset that didn't work, but birds are fed. Huh? Yeah, no, the balls are meant to go on. I'm meant to put the balls on. So thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, find me on my Twitter and Instagram at Adelesexyuk, find me on my Facebook at official Adelesexyuk, and then come and check out my OnlyFans. Freebie, $10 and naughty. I love you all.